scaling up the sales aspect of a business is hard.
Yeah.
And it's expensive and it's labor intensive.
Yeah.
How do you get from 0 to 3,000 customers?
With great difficulty.
It's hard. It's hard.
It is.
It's hard finding customers and it's hard servicing them, making sure they're happy.
Yeah.
Especially in your game, you deal with your customers are local independent supermarkets and convenience and all that type of thing. Can you run through your kind of customer type?
Yeah. So probably good to just strip it back a little bit further and like help you understand the evolution of the business in how do we get to 3,000 customers and how do we do it in the most cost-effective way without forking out millions and millions of dollars on, heavy assets like trucks and staff and all these sorts of things. So
yeah, that'd be really good. The people that receive this podcast and watch this podcast, a lot of them are FMCG businesses. Yeah. So understanding the way to scale is probably the most important thing. So it'd be really great if you go into detail.
Yeah. So back in the day when Dad first started it, at the time it was just a humble dad just trying to put food on the table for his family. So there was no money. There was not, a couple $1 million in the kitty to go, let's go get 10 trucks and hopefully sell some stuff. And if it doesn't sell, we'll sell the truck sort of thing. It was, let's start with one truck. Let's build some runs. And then it's still known today, but the vendoring business or contractors, what you'll see in the logistics game now, we utilize that sort of business model. So we would bring in a contractor or a vendor, contract them to us solely to only distribute and sell nippies. Mm-hmm. So they would wear the brand, the truck will be branded nippies, but they'd run their own business. So their truck was like a mini warehouse.
Is that similar to the kind of milk run kind of idea?
It's like it's that. It's pretty much that.
Yeah. So I remember dealing with, when I used to own a hospitality business, dealing with businesses like ProCal and that type of thing. Yeah. They've got a bunch of vans on the road and the guy grabs the product and he goes and distributes it, but also sells it sometimes.
Sells it as well. So you'd have like company runs where it would be the company's account and they'd get a delivery fee for it.
Yep.
But the majority of the customers were essentially theirs when you talk about legalities of who's invoicing the customer. It was there. So that was a really great method.
So it's up to them to chase the customer and all that type of thing?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And that works. Like that's very low cost because you can get 10 trucks on the road very, very quickly at no cost.
Yeah, for
other
sure.
Than the product.
Yeah, it's a purely variable cost distribution method.
Yeah, that's
brilliant.
And it's a great incentive as well. Like it's basically saying, hey guys, you got this great product, go sell it. The more you sell, the harder you work, the more money you're going to make.